Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some St. Patrick's Day paper crafting ideas made with our favorite St. Patrick's Day collection, Lucky You by Decorate Your Life. Enjoy the video. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing a lot of St. Patrick's Day paper crafting projects throughout the week, and that has inspired me to make some St. Patrick's Day treat boxes along with a Memorydex so that I could go ahead and include it in my Heidi Swap spinner, the pink spinner giveaway that I'm holding till the end of the month. And so I really like the way these came out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the obvious, the French fry box. I really like the depth of this French fry box, because you can put in quite a few items in there. Like, for example, let's say if I wanted to put in something like this in there, see how nicely it fits. And because I know that somebody is going to ask, where did you get all these dies? This time I came prepared. So the die that I used for this, all the dies I got from Temu. Okay, and I'll go ahead and leave you with my Temu link in the description area of this video. So the die that I got from Temu for this box right here is this one. It is a French fry box, and I believe it's from KS Craft. And if you don't already know, KS Craft is available at Temu, okay, and even for a lower price, I believe, and you get it like that. You know, you don't have to wait weeks and weeks and weeks to get it. Plus, the price can't be beat. Okay, so yeah, I got this for a couple of dollars, and it's the same exact thing. Okay, same exact die. And so yeah, this is the die that I used for this, and it comes in several pieces. You know, the larger piece and everything, and it was very easy to put it together. And of course, the paper collection that I used is Lucky You by yours truly, Decorate Your Life. And I think I used this one at the most. And so, yeah, with a couple of sheets of this, I was able to do this. And I am so super happy with the way it came out and the color combination. Really, I used flowers that I haven't seen in years, okay? And lo and behold, I have green, I have black, I have every single color imaginable. And so I went ahead and used that, and I used my flat back pearls. And this is how I keep my flat back pearls, by the way. This is like a mini ice tray, alrighty? And this is what I reach out for the most. So this stays in my desk underneath my monitor shelf. And so yeah, I just love how wide this is. And over here I just use scraps, and this right here, if you're interested, this paper right here with a couple of other shades is coming up pretty soon in my new paper collection. And so I think that it made a really great combination as far as, you know, the soft pastel-like color. And so I really like that combination. And yeah, we have this. And this one, I've already filled it up with goodies. I went ahead and used the same top paper. It says, hello, you're amazing. And this, for this one right here, I went ahead and used another die from Temu. As you can see, this one is larger. See, here's my hand. And so it's a nice size for swaps and whatnot. And so I really like that. And it says sweets. And I didn't put sweets. I used a different die for that. And so here's just the word strip that says you're amazing. And again, I used flowers from my stash that I haven't done in that I haven't seen in years. And this one, I thought this one was so cute when I first ordered it. And yeah, this is from Temu, and this is this one right here. When I ordered it, I had no idea that the box would be this tiny. And at first I was like, oh shoot, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. But you know what? Once I put it together and everything, and this is what the back looks like. I really like it. It comes with a bunch of tags and things, but as you can see, I kept it simple. And so I like the size. I really like the size. See, the size is about 1.5 inches. It's about 2 inches, okay, but it's really cute, and I've already included some goodies in there for my winner. And the last thing that I did is this Memorydex card, because after all, it is a Memorydex challenge giveaway. And so for that one, I use yet another die that I got from Temu. It is a purse / Memorydex die, because you can make a Memorydex, a purse-shaped Memorydex with it, as well as a purse goodie box. Okay, so talk about getting a big bang for your buck. Okay, I really highly recommend this. It fit absolutely great in this Memorydex card, and I just love the way it came out. Look at that. And I'm going to leave this blank so that way the winner can use it if he or she wants to enter a Memorydex. I'll probably just stamp my thing right here, made by Sandy Nagel. See these right here? These are old ephemera from like 2000 and something Prima, okay, that I decided to use. You know, it was green and beige, and as you can see, I'm going with that very light pasty taupe, as you can see, and I think it makes a really great combination with the green, because it's not a hard green, you know. And so yeah, I really love the way this came out. And right here, this is one of my word strips. It says Happy Mail, and so yeah, I really like it. And I hope that you like these project ideas. These will be included, among other things, with my Heidi Swap pastel pink spinner that I'm giving away. And so yeah, you have until the 29th to get your entries to me, and I'll go ahead and leave you a link to my blog post where I list the rules and everything. And so yeah, let me know what you think, and if you're not a subscriber yet, I hope that you subscribe to my channel and go ahead and click on the bell notification and click all, so that way you are notified the next time I upload another crafty video, a crafty haul, or a crafty giveaway. Okay, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.